In this episode, we're going to talk about the newest and seventh factor of influence, unity. Before diving deeper, I wanted to give credit to where this information is coming from. Dr. Robert Cialdini has written 2 books on this subject, Influence and Persuasion. This seventh factor of influence comes from his book, Persuasion, and really underpins the other 6 factors. What is unity and why is it the seventh factor of influence? Well, simply put, the influencer and the influencee have a shared identity. They're part of a family, they're part of a community, or part of a larger us. That means the influencer has an easier time using the other 6 factors of influence on the influencee. If you're a family member, if you're part of a community, if you are part of something larger than yourself and you're tightly interwoven with other people, when they use the 6 factors of influence on you, you're more likely to say yes because you have that family connection or you're part of that community. This is why Dr. Robert Cialdini says this factor of influence underpins the other 6. Whatever the influencer is doing, they have an extra edge if they are part of a family or part of a community or part of a larger us. If they have that connection with the influencee, they are able to make that request a lot easier than making that request to a complete stranger. The influencee is much more likely to trust that person because they're either the leader of that community, a member of that family, or part of a larger us. One of the fantastic examples that Dr. Robert Cialdini used in his book Persuasion to discuss this factor of influence was a test that he did with compliance to a questionnaire in one of his own university classes. He wanted to test the attitudes between students and between their parents. The first time he sent out the questionnaire, he obviously got 100% compliance from his students, but only got 20% compliance from the parents. When he added a little twist to it by saying to the parents if they completed that questionnaire that their child would get an extra point in that class, the compliance went up to 97%. Using unity, using that family connection between the parent and the parent thinking that the child is going to be better off because of filling out this questionnaire, Dr. Robert Cialdini was able to influence those parents to filling out that questionnaire a hell of a lot more than before. Another way to leverage unity is by using family language. You may already follow some content creators or be part of an organization that already uses these types of cues by talking about family and community. This is all very good if you want to be part of those organizations or those communities and there's already a relationship built and you have a connection. However, I think it's very careful to look out for those types of organizations that use family language as a way to get you to sign up or join their organization. In my own personal experience, I've definitely seen some life insurance companies use this kind of language and this kind of advertising to try to build a false sense of community and a false sense of family to get you to sign up to their products. You can join my Unity community by hitting that subscribe button now. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that button also. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this factor of influence and the other 6. My mission here is to deliver bite-sized videos each week that can hopefully help you start your journey of success. Thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you next time. And as always, make it a good one.